Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about HiveView. What is HiveView? What are the different types of assessment that we have to conduct in HiveView? What are the different types of interviews like video or audio or assessments? What we actually do for video interviews? How will we evaluate the video interviews? And what is the process of HiveView? What is the interview process and more? Well, coming to HiveView is an website or an application where it will provide all the relevant information regards to the job interview or the hiring process or the interview process from the starting to the end. Let's see here. Your end-to-end hiring experience platform with video interview software, conversational AI, and assessments. Build a faster, fairer, friendlier hiring process with HiveView. Together, we can improve the way you discover, engage, and hire talent. So it will help people to decrease in time to hire people, and it will increase in new hire diversity, and it will improve the return on investment from 131%, and they were like 21 million more than people who have already interviewed in this particular application or web portal. So coming to HiveView, there were like three different portions. Like the one is the platform, it's the user interface, and what is the solutions and the benefits. So coming to the platform, end-to-end hiring experience platform, seamlessly engage, screen, assess, interview, and hire. HiveView enables a faster, fairer, and friendlier hiring experience for hiring teams and candidates alike. We integrate with market-leading ATS and calendar systems to streamline the most tedious and time-consuming hiring activities with conversational AI, video interviewing, assessments, and automated scheduling. On one platform, you can move the needle on your most pressing hiring channels from time to hire to from time to hire to new hire diversity to candidate experience. So these are the different platforms and the steps they have given. Like firstly, they will engage with the persons, then they will screen their abilities or skills. Once they screen, they will assess the skills. They will analyze what exactly the persons have, like the abilities, the skills, etc., and the expertise. Now, after that, they'll interview the people using the video interview, and then they'll hire them, and they will connect with the people. Well, HiveView will provide different types of solutions to the public, like professional hiring, technical hiring, hourly hiring, campus hiring, public sector, and university resources. So each and every category consists of different types of services which were provided by HiveView. Coming to the solutions and benefits, it is very scale faster, fairer, and more efficiently with best-in-class hiring technology. Equity, quality, and fairness. Technology validated by data scientists and IO psychologists to actively combat bias and enable science-backed hiring decisions. Cast a wider net with the ability to consider 2 into more candidates. Retire ad hoc and inconsistent hiring process for standardized methods. Coming to candidate and recruiter experience. So this is how the interface looks like. So it will look like some visualization dashboard. Now both sides of the hiring table want the same thing, an experience that is easy, fast, and more fair. Close the applicant back hole with automated test updates and enable candidates to show their skills on their own time beyond the resume with video interviews and assessments. Remove repetitive tasks from your hiring team's plate, empowering them to focus on human connections. Coming to better ROI for every hire. So this will enable organizations to reduce their cost for hiring the people. Find the best talent faster with AI-driven hiring, reducing time to hire. Keep conversations moving 24/7 with conversational AI across all channels. Save recruiters hours with automation and on-demand video interviews. They have also given few organizations where HiveView was being used by in past and in also in the future. Coming to the platform for recruiting, here they're telling recruiting software and platform for the hiring process, from candidate engagement to virtual interviewing. HiveView recruiting software and platform makes the hiring process very easy. So this is how the interface looks like for the people, like the recruiter after giving you a video interview. This is how it looks like. And now from this, these are the questions which they'll ask, and this is the results which you will give in the video interview. So after this, they will go through the whole set of questions for this particular video interview, and they'll recommend whether you are able to suit or your profile and skills match with the particular opening position in the organization. If at all it is matching, then they'll click as yes, and if not, they'll click as no. That's how they're going to rate a candidate, and out of the total rating by different individuals, they're going to finalize that particular candidate in the interview. This process helps 90% reduction in time to hire and 16% increase in new hire diversity and 131% return on investment. This is hugely relevant and more helpful for the different organizations to reduce their costs, and they're reducing the recruiting function and the domain in their particular organizations. Now, coming to Hiveo's recruiting software and platform makes the hiring process seamless. Live and on-demand video interviewing power hiring at scale. Hiveo live and on-demand video interview software powers a more convenient and scalable process for recruiters, hiring managers, and candidates. Hiring and recruiting teams can consistently evaluate recorded video interviews, seeing more candidates in less time, eliminating endless interviews, and making great hires faster. See how video interview can help you. Now we'll go through this interview. Now coming to pre-hire assessments, identify the best candidate and minimize the bias. So here in Hiveo deploys scientifically validate assessments to help people and organizations zero in the highest quality candidates, engage with candidates, and minimum bias in the selection process to drive positive, profitable growth. And coming to conversational AI, 24/7 candidate engagement and automated workflows through text and web support and WhatsApp interfaces help to speed up the interview process. Coming to the standards and quality structure, so high quality structured interview guides replace the ad hoc and inconsistent interview process within an interview builder that automatically selects, question, and evaluate criteria based on job related attributes and skills. Utilizing Hiveo Builder gives recruiters and hiring managers access to more than 1,000 job-specific interviews besides interview guides vetted by Hiveo psychologists, which provides more consistency and fairness in the interview process. Interview scheduling will also help hiring managers and candidates to reduce their time to hire and increase the quality of the services. Elevate the candidate experience. So these are the different types of assessments or the interviews which were being conducted by Hiveo. The first is game-based assessments, second is coding assessments, the third is interview assessments. We are going to go through each and every game type in depth. Okay, game-based assessments work with Hiveo psychologists to identify critical components for each role and select games that help you prioritize the candidates most likely to succeed in that role. Coming to coding assessments, Hiveo coding challenges and live coding capabilities in programming languages from Python to Java to Ruby and more ensure you bring the right technical talent on the board. And coming to interview video assessments, prioritize candidates to meet your unique organizational needs with interview assessment built from a job analysis and role-specific competencies. Combine the power of validated assessment with a structured interview in a single step. It's a type of all-in-one recruiting software and platform for the hiring process. They'll support candidate support for candidate interview resources, different languages and global support, chat or phone support, technical support, and they also follow all these different guidelines and standards provided by the regulations. Coming to InfoSec and security, they are following all these different types of frameworks and the regulatory protocols and compliances. Coming to analytical and reporting, interview funnel metrics, dashboards and flexible filtering options, candidate experience metrics, real-time data exports, harmonized Hiveo and ATS data. All these are the different types of analytics and visualization stats which were provided by the Hiveo. So these are the different organizations which were using Hiveo, and there were like more than 750 plus customers who are using Hiveo. Now, coming to HighView assessments. So, in these assessments, we have mainly focused on the two types of assessment. One is the game-based assessment, and the other is the coding assessment. Now, coming to these assessments, it is data-driven, science-backed, created by expert team of 20 plus psychologists and data scientists, with minimizing the confusion, increasing diversity with scientifically validated methodology, trusted insights, review easy to understand reports for hiring managers and feedback for candidates, and also confidently prioritize people. Make sure you are engaging with the highest quality candidate first. Coming to the interview assessments, create a fair, fast screening process. Dramatically increase recruitment efficiency by eliminating outdated phone screens and evaluating candidates by job-relevant skills. Our team of IO psychologists work with you to create and monitor a relevant assessments that fits your job needs while mitigating confusion. We help you combine the interview and assessments in a single unified experience that can be completed within less than 20 minutes. In depth, coming to the game-based assessments, it is fast and comprehensive. Work with HighView teams and experts, identify the critical competencies that align with success for each role, and then select the games that they will give you insights you need. And it also helps better prioritization of people. Backdated prioritization of candidates for teams make hiring decisions based on understanding individual cognitive skills and behavioral traits related to the job performance. Now, what they're going to do after completion of this game assessments, they're going to compare their individual skills, abilities, and their expertise to the requirement of the position which they are going to hire. Now, based on the comparison, if that particular person or the individual is having such kind of skills or the abilities or the experience, that's when they're going to hire that person. Based on the prioritization of people, like they'll compare different people, and out of those, whichever person or the individual has most desired outcomes which were compared to the opening position, that's whom they're going to hire. Now, coming to the modern candidate experience, this is a long form legacy assessments for fun, engaging games that can measure job relevant competencies in less than 10 minutes. There will be like few set of games which we have to play. So based on playing that game, what they're going to analyze, they're going to analyze our decision making skills, our fastness, our skills, okay, and also our abilities on different cognitive data points, and from that they're going to assess the expertise, assess the skills and ability of the person. Now, coming to the second part, coding assessments. So this is how the coding assessments looks like. And now look beyond confidence, coding proficiency. Today's software development is collaborative, agile, and requires more than just strong coding skills. HighView combines coding assessments with insights into candidates' ability to problem solve and communicate, qualify and validate technical skills. It can possibly use the different types of programming languages in their interview processes like Python, Java, Ruby, JavaScript, R, PHP, etc. It will help people to expedite the hiring process. The competition for great engineers and developers is fierce. HighView provides the tools and automation to ensure your business never loses out on a candidate because of the protracted or overly complicated process. This helps the recruiters or the different organizations to reduce the hiring process to a minimum. It is a quick adoption. Transformation doesn't have to be hard, intuitive, customer-like solutions for the hiring teams. Fairer process, open the hiring process to more candidates and evaluate them at scale while fighting bias. And one-step experience, combine the interview and assessment into a single unified experience in less than 20 minutes. Well, I could not say that each and every interview will consist of the interview, like the video interview and the assessments, but it depends upon the organization and the recruiter. Like if some organizations were mainly focusing on identifying or analyzing the particular skills of the individual, then they might only conduct the games assessment or coding assessment. Or if it also they wanted to know more about the individual, like they also use like video interview for casual questions, like etc. It all depends upon the organization and the recruiter whom you are going to hire for. here in this high view, they use conversational AI and recruitment automation. It is mobile first. Meet candidates where they are using web, text, and WhatsApp. End-to-end assistance will be provided for the candidate for seamless experience with support, and also inclusive and transparent. People provide every candidate with an equal opportunity while giving consistent status updates about the particular job opportunity. And coming to the workflow automation, it will unlock recruiter productivity by automating monotonous tasks throughout the entire process of hiring. Now, coming to the video interview, in this topic, I'm going to discuss in deep about what is the video interview, what kind of questions they'll ask, and what are the tips for preparing for the video interview, and also how they're going to evaluate one after completion of the video interview assessment, and etc. Now, coming to this video interview, they hire faster, replace time-consuming phone screens and recorded video interviews that can be taken anytime, anywhere. We can write at any time as per our pace, as per our requirement, as per our availability. You can write it anywhere. Like there is no restrictions or boundaries. Like go beyond resumes. They'll evaluate candidates' abilities, skills, and potentials, not just bullet points on their resume, like the highlights or the lines that we usually write in the resumes. Like it will also increase diversity, evaluate a wider pool of candidates fairly with structured interviews. It will also help enterprise to use the security, best-in-class security with 19% uptime and SOC 2 type and different types of standards required by the regulatory authorities. Now, coming to the video interview software works. So this is how the video interview looks like. So this is after completion of the video interview. So here what they're doing, they're evaluating this person's video interview. So the question they have asked for this person is, tell me about a time when you worked with a group of people as a team to create an effective solution to the problem. Now how it gonna work is, now this person has to answer the question within 30 seconds. They will give 30 seconds of preparation time. Within that 30 seconds, the person has to prepare, and he has to give his interview for this question. After giving it, so there will be like 2 or 3 minutes depending upon the question or depending upon the requirement. Now after completion of 2 minutes, what they're going to do, they're going to give an option to take this video as final, or else there is an option to repeat the same video interview again. Like if at all the person is not confident enough, or if they might have missed some points to be included in the question. So what they're going to do, they're going to give one more chance for the people. They have to be very cautious, and they have to be very quick in their response. They have to give their answer within those specified 2 or 3 minutes of available time. So once the second time option is also completed, then it's gone. You can't even delete, or you can't even replace the same answer again and again. So they're going to give only one option for each question. So here we can see, like, these are the different types of questions they were asked for this particular candidate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There were 8 questions asked for this particular candidates for this particular position. Inside sales representative, Santa Barbara. This is some ID for them, internal reference. Now coming to the rating. So these are the different rating given for this particular person throughout their considering the whole 8 interview questions. Okay, now if this particular person has answered it in a proper manner, then they will recommend him as S. If not, if the particular candidate does not have any skills or communication or the abilities to which match with the current position which the organization is hiring for, then they will recommend him as no. So out of the total score, they will give some ratings. Okay, out of this total rating, they are going to select these people. Like if a particular job opportunity has applied for like 10 different candidates, out of these 10 different candidates, they are going to compare which person has the much abilities or skills which matches with the required profile, and that's when they are going to take a decision on to whom we have to hire. So this is the other side of the page which they are going to do. Okay, Now, coming to reduce hiring bias and increase diversity, our video interview platform and interview guide generator means your organization is not relying on resumes or assumptions, but standardizing the interview process at scale and evaluating what really matters, which means they are not usually scheduling the call or asking them to physically visit the organization location and perform the interview process. No, they are just send a link to us in an email. We just have to open the link and just write down few, like we have to perform the interview during like a video process. That's it. And coming to increase velocity without sacrificing quality, we empower hiring teams to evaluate two potential and fit candidates, widening the talent pipeline and reducing time to hire. So here, so they're going to rate the people, like if this person, like consider Laura Thompson is a dependability, it's a skill. So for Laura, dependability is a type of advanced skill. So they have rate the particular skill in a different types, like novice, developing, intermediate, advanced, and expert. So for her, team orientation is she's an expert, so she has such skill in a good and top. So that's why they have rated her as an expert. So these are the different types of ratings which they'll give for different types of skills, like for emotional intelligence, etc. So this is how they're going to give the rating for each and every person. Now, coming to the leader, digital transformation in recruiting is no longer a nice to have. Level up with the technology will ensure you are positioning your business for success. So this for the recruiters. So what exactly HireVue video interview software is different. Now, coming to these are the different types of options which HireVue is giving, like on demand and live video interviewing. There is no limit candidates or business has. You can take the interview at any time, and you can use different types of tools or the interview guides during the interview, and it's very easy to use. So you just have to leave complicated scheduling or the interview guide creation or downloading of few apps. It's very simple. You just have to log into this particular portal and just give the interview. That's it. It's just that easy. Okay, it's also ATS integration, enhance the ATS investment to improve the recruiting processes and better hiring objectivities. It also increases the HR technologies by reducing the redundancies and duplication of data, etc. Now, coming to standardized interview templates, they have more than 1000 job specific interview guides vetted and maintained by the different types of psychologists, which provides more consistency and fairness in the improved process. Always the organization need not to like they have to customize their questions as per their requirement. No, there will be a few different types of templates available in the HireVue portal itself. They just have to select few questions depends upon the requirement. No, they will provide dedicated support and also the customer community. Now, coming to what we actually should look into for a video interview, let's go and listen to this.
HireVue is the top video interview and assessment solution for enterprise recruitment teams, leading the way in talent acquisition technology for over 15 years. We partner with our 750 customers worldwide and have facilitated 15 million plus interviews in more than 30 languages. Our assessments help hiring managers to consider a wider, more diverse talent pool, while our structured interviews help enable deeper visibility into candidates so they can make efficient, accurate decisions on the best hires at scale. One of the key reasons HireVue makes such an impact in the hiring process is because it seamlessly integrates into your talent acquisition tech stack. Our solution works with your existing applicant tracking systems and candidate relationship management systems to empower recruiters and hiring managers to make better hiring decisions faster, resulting in increases in ROI for both your hiring process and your overall profitability. With HireVue, recruiters and hiring managers are able to eliminate time-consuming rote scheduling tasks by issuing automatic invitations to top-tier candidates, allowing them to schedule an interview at their convenience, resulting in improved candidate experience, reduced time to hire, and a lower barrier to entry in the hiring process. Bottom-tier candidates can be automatically dispositioned, saving recruiters and hiring managers time and avoiding a negative candidate experience by providing an immediate response. Recruiters can also evaluate middle-tier candidates before deciding whether to invite them to the next phase in the hiring process. HireVue's technology powers better hiring decisions by arming recruitment teams with the time, tools, and insights to do what they do best. Find the perfect match between candidate potential and organizational need. And the results speak for themselves. HireVue saved one customer over 6,000 hours of recruitment time, while increasing new hire diversity up to 55%. Build the best future possible for your business. HireVue.
This is a small video about the HireVue, and coming to easy to implement, more secure and built to scale recorded video interviews. These live and on-demand interview software powers a more convenient and scalable process for recruiters, hiring managers, and candidates as well. It will help people to save so many hours, and it will also help candidates to not to get nervous or not to get like fear of the interview. So it will help people to reduce that such kind of fear. It's just a video interview. You just look in onto yourself and you have to answer the questions. So it's that easy. So coming to the tips that we have to face during the virtual interview. So these are the different types of tips. Like you just have to treat it like in some other interview. You don't have to get nervous or something. So you just have to prepare like you would do for any other job interview. Always do some research about the job or the requirement and the desired skills by reading the job description and the company details. Spend some time thinking about how your skills will align to this job's requirements. Employers enjoy hearing about your learning ability, problem solving skills, dependability, and ability to be a team player. To prepare, create a list of brief stories about challenges you faced, approaches you took on different types of situations, and results you have achieved at previous jobs or in a school. So they have also mentioned the STAR framework, like the situation, task, action, and result type of answering the questions on different types of situations or circumstances. Now, create the perfect interview environment. They have given like you have to be in a situation where the interview should be in a lightning place, and the network should be not problematic, or some like the Wi-Fi signal should be strong, and etc. So these are the different types of tips they have given, like practice makes perfect love. So they are asking people to practice before giving the final interview on the HireVue. So usually what we could do, we can take some our camera or some selfie camera, and we can just reiterate the whole question by ourselves, so that we can get confidence enough to assess or to produce the interview more productively. So set aside roughly an hour to take your HireVue. So if they are saying like it will take not more than 20 to 30 minutes to complete the whole process and practice giving best answers. Don't panic if you have a technical hiccup. While you should be able to iron most errors out by testing your equipment occasionally, you'll still run into a technical issue like background noise or other distractions. Instead of beating yourself up, try not to let it affect the interview. Just apologize for the interruption and continue with the questions asked. You could even laugh it off if need be. So lastly, and you have to be yourself. You shouldn't have to like fear about the interview, etc. You just have to be like the real person, and you just have to shine and share your best practices and be authentic, and you just have to relax and have some fun during the interview process. You just have to show your skills and your personality, and you just also show how your skills and the expertise will importantly match with the current profile, etc. So you have to make the eye contact with the camera and just speak and focus on what exactly you have to deliver. So just be energetic and shine in front of the camera. So even they're providing the disability people also to have some interview processes on by considering different types of protocols. That's all about the tips. And this is another video about
Did you just get an invitation to take a HireVue interview, or are you expecting one? You may be wondering what to do next. In this video, I'm going to explore what you can expect from your HireVue interview and give you some tips to help you succeed. Companies use HireVue to get to know you better and understand your skills and experiences beyond your resume or job application. HireVue is basically a way to interview when and where you want. All you need is a mobile device with a camera or a computer with a webcam to interview anywhere at the time that works best for you. In the interview, you simply
So this is how the question, interface looks like. So they are going to ask 4 questions for this particular candidate, and this is the first question out of the 4. So this is how they are going to ask the question. So once this question is popped up, they'll give 30 seconds for her to practice or memorize few things or few points, and once those 30 seconds were done, she has to respond this within the prescribed time limit. Like for this question, they have given her 3 minutes. So within these 3 minutes, she have to answer the question. So here they have also given unlimited retrieves, which means she can answer n number of times until and unless she is good and she is satisfied with her answer, but not actually every time it will be the same. Like for usually when I wrote the interview, they just given me a one retry option. Once I tried, and the second time when I tried, it is the final. We can't even have an option to rewrite or rescope the video interview process again. It's just simple.
time that works best for you. In the interview, you simply respond to a series of job-related questions. To keep things fair, you'll be answering the exact same questions as every other candidate for the job.
So this is how they'll ask, like this is the second question. So they're giving the preparation time, and before the end of this time, the countdown will start like 3, 2, 1, and once it is 0, the recording will start in the background. So they're asking about, tell us about your time you needed to resolve a conflict, what steps did you take, and how it was resolved.
You typically have 30 seconds to prepare and up to 3 minutes to respond to each. If you're taking a video interview for the first time, it might be a little awkward. No worries. Before you start interviewing, you do have some time to complete some practice questions. Just a heads up before I get into the tips, if you're expecting an invitation to interview and haven't received one yet, you may need to search your email inbox. If you can't find it there, try double checking your spam folder. Now, here's what other candidates like you have done to interview successfully. Make yourself comfortable. Since you can interview anywhere, find the place where you think you'll be the most comfortable and where you can enter the zone. Pick a spot to record that is quiet and free from distractions, and set aside around 45 minutes. It probably won't take that long, so this is just to stay on the safe side. Finally, check your lighting. You want to make sure your lighting is in front of you, since light from behind isn't exactly flattering. Once you're in the interview, don't worry about making eye contact with the camera. If you want, you can hide your video while you answer the questions. Just speak.
So usually here they are saying like we have an option to hide a video, which helps us not to see ourselves, but usually what happens, so it will record us also during the interview process, and it will let the recruiter see about what exactly the person is telling. Like if we try to manipulate this, we will get caught during the evaluation process, so we can't even manipulate this.
And focus in
It is like some kind of restriction put on place, but it helps people to hide and not to see themselves during the interview process.
a way that makes you comfortable. Your HireVue interview might also include a series of games. If so, you'll see a game summary screen. These games will help the employer see how you think. I recommend giving the instructions a look so you go into each game prepared and ready. When you begin, you'll see a countdown starting at 3. When the countdown reaches 0, stop playing. That's it. After you complete your interview, it's sent to a recruiter or hiring manager who might email, call, or text you to discuss next steps. I hope you take the opportunity to relax, have fun, and just be yourself.
So this is about the different types and the portion of the interview. and you can take this interview on your terms. Like you can do it at your time, your available time, on your way, and you can do your best. So this is all about the video interview process. And I'm going to add few my own experience after this completion of the high view. So you can check the next part of the video for experience during the interview process for EY, which is Ernst Young, which is a position for internal audit senior associate. So usually what happened during my interview, I was also the first time using this HiveView. So what I did not actually research about what is HiveView and etc. But I just go through few information available on the internet like Google and Quora, etc. And I got to know that like for EY, especially for EY, which the company or the organization that I have applied for, so it was like really critical and hard for people to qualify this high view. So what I did, I just tried to identify what types of questions or what will be the process of the interview in high view, on what are the different types of questions they are asking in the interview. And I got to know few results from Quora and other career sites like glassdoor.com and etc. So this is a website called myconsultingoffer.org where I found out in the net for the EY high view video based interview. So they're like these might be the possible questions that they'll ask in the interview. Why do you want to work for EY? So they have given their explanation. Describe a time you contributed a high performing team. They're given their explanation, and also they tell me about a time you disagreed with someone's point of view and how you manage that situation. So it's more like a practical based questions where on which different situations you have faced, different types of problems, and how you have come up with the solutions. So tell me about a skill which you have that you have not yet talked about or shared with. So these are the different types of questions, and these are the different other types of questions which possibly the other organizations might ask you. But not apart from this, I have also like searched about few research. I did some research, and they're like this is the process for EY interview which I was found in the internet. So virtual recruitment due to COVID-19, there were only 2 interview rounds it seems. The first round was recording yourself awaiting pre-recorded questions in the high view, and the second round was back-to-back interviews with senior managers in the practice you applied for. Like it's in the domain that or the line of work that you're applying for, be it tax or be it accountancy, be it auditing, or be it some other domain. So this is something which I found out in Glassdoor. And coming to the third one, which is Reddit. So this is the place where I found some more information about the interview process for EY. So here they said like they were asked few questions for audit. So this particular person has applied for audit it seems, and he's saying it sucks honestly. And these are the different types of questions they are asked. So why EY? Second question is leadership question. What is the leadership, and etc. And third is difficulty with team member. Fourth one he forgot it since, and fifth one still not yet talked about. These are the types of questions which I have explained in the other website. And coming down, so some other person has also replied to the same question. Like, so these are the different types of questions but asked for this person. Why EY, and why they have chosen this particular line or line of work for this particular domain for working in this particular organization. And they're asking about explain a time where you are a leader, and in the same time as above, circumstances where a group member had different opinion or point of view and how you have deal it, and time you implemented a different or disruptive change and how you did it in your previous organization, and skills or attributes you want them to know that you have not mentioned yet. So these are the different types of questions and other research which I come up by using the internet. But unfortunately, all this did not help me. Okay, all this did not help me. All this helped me to get an overview or get some experience about the interview process. But all these different questions were not helped me, because during my interview I got all set of different types of questions relevant to the process or the line of work. Usually I applied for audit, okay, that too in regulatory compliance and risk. So they are completely asking the technical questions, the pure technical questions. They were asked like 7-8 questions. Out of 8, one is the question and answer type. It's like a case study where I have to read few scenarios and I have to write a case study, like what is the risk and what is the best possible recommendation scenario, and based on the recommendation what could be the result. So those are the different types of case study which they have given for me for one question. And the rest 7 questions are, out of 7 are purely technical based. So guys, I request everyone to prepare your technical or the technical attributes or the requirements of that particular line of work that you're applying for very, very, very concentratedly, because we don't know on what topic or what area they're going to ask. So if coming to audit, the scope is very vast for audit. So I was like shocked looking at the questions of the interview. They're like asking some from nowhere. They're asking essays, standards on auditing, what is IFRS, what is SOX compliance, what is GDPR, what is the difference between SOX compliance requirements and IFCR, etc. You can't even like relate questions, and you can't even expect such kind of questions. So usually, I mean, by researching, I thought, okay, they will ask some types of different questions, but no, they're asking few technical questions, and there is only one question which they asked out of technical, which is why you want to leave your previous organization and what is your notice period, and what are the key areas why you wanted to join our organization, which is EY. That's what they asked me. And I'm going to add my experience during my video interview, how it went in the next part of the interview. And I'm also going to add few details and few relevant links for the skills and the attributes that we need to develop during the interview process for HighView in my below description. And guys, if you think that this video helped you, please like, share with your friends, and subscribe the video. And please go through the next part of the video for my experience during the video interview for HighView for EY.
Video questions is one response. Oh my god, what can you expect from link? How you been interviewed? Submission form, job related skills and abilities. The questions will be asked and designed to help the team focus on what matters, reduce bias and make better, more objective decisions. Okay, for this role, only our team members will evaluate your submission. No computer assisted evaluation is being used. This should take approximately 40 minutes to complete. Interview for view and HighView cognitive assessment tool. This ties into the internet to describe the practices EY follows in relation to the digital interview for view and HighView cognition to privacy of all individuals whose personal data is processed and stored in a tool. Who manages the tool? EY refers to one or more of the members of firm Ernst & Young Global Limited, each of which is separate legal entity. Okay, what do we need? Why do we need the information? The tool is evaluating 3 types of functionality: digital interview, code, view and high view cognitive assessments. All functions are used to help the recruiting process by using video or online interviewing software. It enables EY to interview and assess your by placing length forms of pre-screening questions and reduce the need for traditional face-to-face interviews. Okay. So EY relies on the following bias: what type of personal data is processed in the tool, first name, last name, email, etc., sensitive personal data, etc. Who can access your information? Your personal data is accessed in the tool. Okay. Role, recruiter, country, multiple. Okay. Access purpose as user with full access to setup, requisitions and add questions to send test both methods and content. Access rights tell you or have you access to requisitions that are under the user group and assigned as a recruiter, and all candidates tagged under such requisitions, etc. So all these persons have the access to this. The access rights detailed above involves transferring personal data and various restrictions. Okay, data retention. The policy and the procedures for the retention of personal data in the tool are accordance with EY records, retention global policy and applicable EY global area, region, etc. They are telling about security, controlling your personal data, rectification, erasure, restriction of processing or data portability. You can confirm your personal data is accurate and current. You can request rectification, erasure, restriction of processing or readily portable copy of your personal data by contacting your usual EY representatives or by sending an email to global.data protection complaints. Okay. Also proceed and accept and okay. Let's click on agree and let's see what they will ask.
Hello and welcome to EY. My name is Sukhi Sudarshan and I am EY Global Delivery Services Recruitment Leader. We're very excited that you're considering a career with Global Delivery Services. We've taken the first step towards building an exceptional experience that would last a lifetime. Global Delivery Services, GDS as we call it, is a worldwide network of delivery centers that provides a wide range of skills and services to the EY clients across the globe. We have our offices in 14 cities across Argentina, Poland, Philippines, India, China, and the UK.
As a truly global team, we celebrate diversity as we bring numerous cultures, languages, capabilities, and competencies together. And this diversity is a key asset because we believe people with diverse backgrounds, experiences, and skill sets are what make high-performing teams who can help solve clients' toughest challenges.
We encourage EY people to inspire change, to open doors, to lead, to learn, and to pursue an exceptional career. We create opportunities for our people to build a better working world for themselves and those around them. And though we are a large global organization, that's how you'll be treated, as a valuable individual. With a purpose-driven culture of mentoring and support, you will find people who are as invested in your career as you are. That's the opportunity that awaits you here at GDS.
So now that you know a little more about us, we'd like to get to know you. Participating in a video interview might be a new experience for you. It's okay, just relax and be your authentic self. We are excited that you are interested in joining GDS, and in just a minute, you will have the chance to tell us all about yourself.
But before you do, here are some helpful tips. Try to treat it like an in-person discussion. Find a place free of distractions. Try not to have bright light behind you. We want to see you. And just be yourself.
Goodbye and good luck.
Goodbye and good luck.
Goodbye and good luck.
Bye-bye and good luck.
Goodbye and good luck.
Oh my god. Okay. I was little bit nervous. I have never given this kind of interview till now. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. And user mic meter not moving. Yes, it is moving. Try practice questions. You will not be said. Okay, you will be asked to respond to questions on video. You will be given 2 attempts to record your audio responses. Start practice questions. Okay, let's start. This is only a practice question. No one will see it. Start practice questions. Revision time 30 seconds today, and start recording. Okay. 1 minute to respond and retires if any. Start recording. Well, why your background and experience would be a good fit for job? Well, coming to my background and experience, so I've been working as an internal auditor for Microsoft in Accenture, as a working for Microsoft clients. So in audit, we usually not concerned about the numbers or the pages, but we usually concerned about the understanding the key risks which were involved in the business, and understanding why there are any discrepancies, or understanding the financial statements or the controls which were implemented on the different places in the organization, whether they are inappropriate with the financial reporting framework or not. And I guess like audit helps people to for understanding the tasks, how to manage people, and more things like. So as I could see that the current requirement also has a similar set of skills and knowledge, so I'll be happy and I'll be great. It would be great if I can share my experiences and my expertise for this particular position to grow myself and also the organization as a whole. So, well, coming to my background and experience, so I've been working as an internal auditor for Microsoft in Accenture, as a working for Microsoft clients. So in audit, we usually not concerned about the numbers or the pages, but we usually concerned about the understanding the key risks which were involved in the business, and understanding why there are any discrepancies, or understanding the financial statements or the controls which were implemented on the different places in the organization, whether they are inappropriate with the financial reporting framework or not. And I guess like audit helps people to for understanding the tasks, how to manage people, and more things like. So as I could see that the current requirement also has a similar set of skills and knowledge, so I'll be happy and I'll be great. It would be great if I can share my experiences and my expertise for this particular position to grow myself and also the organization as a whole. Tell us what has been the best opportunity. Okay, let's try this question. So 0 from question. Okay, tell us how. Go. Well, tell us what has been your best work achievement. Okay, so there were many things that we can not share, like each and every thing, like the expertise, the skills, the knowledge that you acquire on different working on different engagements, like different clients, it all matters. So stepping up few milestones on a daily basis, we just have to do the right thing, like do the right thing for one client and do the same thing for every clients, like do the same thing for every day, doing the right thing, being such kind of responsibility and skill set, or the ability of people calculating everything matters, and all such kind of the skills, the experience, and the years of work that we do all matters as a stepping stone for success to be in this particular position or having such kind of a great achievement. Describe a difficult task and how you addressed it. Okay. Section 7, if you begin 7 instructions. In this section there are 7 questions for you to answer. Some of the questions will require you to record a response with video. You will be only given 2 attempts to record your response. Each question will have its own time limit. Once you submit your answer, you cannot change it, and you will be taken to the next question. Okay, once you submit your answer, you cannot change it, and you will be taken to the next question. Okay, let's begin. Well, Sriram, have been working. Colleagues from the management and the client as well. Well, coming to the clients that I've worked, Well, thank you. Hey, welcome walkthroughs in your previous job. If yes, please describe for which process describe the recommendations given by you to the client during walkthroughs. Well, in terms of walkthrough, click the button when you are ready to move to the next question. Okay. What's the difference between control and recording internet? Case study 1, staff, okay, 15 minutes each case study. During the review of fixed assets, physical count and tax. The internal audit team noted the following. Okay, during the review of fixed assets, physical count, tagging process, team noted the following. There is no comprehensive process in place to physically verify the 500 plus fixed assets with a net book value of $145 million on an ongoing basis. Machinery and equipment valuing 15 million pending to be placed in service industry. Services include assets that include okay, there is no comprehensive process in place to physically verify the 500 plus fixed assets with a net book value of $145 million on an ongoing basis. Machinery and equipment valuing $15 million pending to be placed in service. Include assets that have been on site more than 2 years and have not been tagged. Okay, asset tags currently used by the facility have the legal entity code. Number for the assessment register and a brief description of the asset. There is nothing on the asset tag to indicate the asset is company's property. On the stickers used to tag the asset do not always remain securely attached to the asset. Please list down at least 2 risks associated with the above scenario and provide recommendations to mitigate the risk. Staff, please list down at least 2 risks associated with the above scenario and provide recommendations to mitigate the risk. Okay, risk recommendation. Case study 2. In each case study, please list down at least 2 risks associated with the above scenario and provide recommendations to mitigate the risk. Case study 1, case study 2. What the hell, man? Each case study during the review of fixed assets physical count.